I'm Heath Pinner, and I'm here to introduce Saddlemen's Performance Carbon Fiber line, and we're going to start with the front fender on this new CVO here. So you might be more familiar with Saddlemen through our seats, but we've been developing carbon fiber for some years now with the King of the Baggers series at our race efforts in-house here. Some of the strongest attributes between using carbon fiber is obviously the styling, the weight reduction, and it's an easy install. All of Saddlemen's carbon fiber is designed and manufactured here in Long Beach, California. One of the easiest ways to transform your bike is by installing one of our front fenders. So I would get your hardware laid up and your tools in place, which is just a 1/4 inch Allen and a 1/2 inch wrench. Start taking things off this bike. So it's a very simple install with hardware included, everything mounts into its stock locations. And that way you can use the hardware to hold it in place, eliminating from scratching the fender. Once you slide your Allen bolts in place, the fender will hold itself up, which is nice. So again, you don't have to worry about scratching the fender or any misalignment. It pretty much goes where it needs to go. Very, very easy. You apply the washer. Yeah, it's a very simple install. The hardware kit's included with 4 stainless Allen bolts, 4 nylock stainless nuts, and 4 stainless washers. So everything goes in place. There's no alignment needed. Everything lines up as the bolts go in, and you just cinch it down, snug it up. Yeah, everything's pre-drilled, fit, and already fitted from Saddlemen before it's packaged. One of the biggest benefits with the styling and the design of this front fender is the profile. It's actually designed to fit around the tire and get the gaps and everything. So it's really stuck down onto the tire, and it marries the wheel and tire a lot better than the stock fender. You know, it's not as wide. So just the profile from front to back, it's just a way better fit. So both gloss and matte finishes are sprayed with the UV protected clear coat. So thanks for following along. For more information on Saddlemen's carbon fiber, please visit saddlemen.com.